Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take the lower unit off a Johnson outboard. First, gather your essential tools like a set of wrenches, various sockets, and a reliable drain pan. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the battery to prevent any accidental engine starts. Ensure the outboard is in neutral gear and completely cool to the touch before proceeding. This initial preparation saves time and ensures a smooth, safe process for the entire removal. Now, let's drain the gear oil. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the lower unit to collect the old oil. Remove both the drain and vent screws to allow the gear oil to flow out completely. This step is crucial for a clean removal. Next, carefully disconnect any shift linkage or speedometer tubes that are attached to the lower unit, ensuring all external connections are free before moving on. With the fluids drained and connections freed, it's time to tackle the mounting bolts. Locate and remove all the bolts that secure the lower unit to the midsection of the outboard. Typically, you'll find between 4 and 6 bolts, with one often cleverly hidden beneath the trim tab. As you remove the final bolts, be sure to support the lower unit firmly to prevent it from unexpectedly dropping and causing damage. Finally, with all bolts removed, gently wiggle and pull the lower unit straight down to separate it from the midsection. Take care as the drive shaft and water pump tube disengage. Once separated, take a moment to inspect the drive shaft splines for any signs of wear or corrosion. Also, check the water pump impeller for cracks or damage, as this is an excellent opportunity for maintenance or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.